3D printing has already been used to create car parts, fashion accessories, medical equipment, and even artificial organs. But now, a group of researchers from Zurich is using it in architecture to rediscover building techniques from hundreds of years ago.
The magnificent vaulted ceiling of Westminster Abbey, built 500 years ago, long before the time of modern building methods and the use of reinforced concrete. Many of the techniques used in classical Gothic architecture are now lost. But researchers at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich are trying to rediscover how the experts of olden days used to do things.
How to actually find a good form that you can use humble or weak materials to be stable through geometry rather than through stresses, that we have entirely forgotten. And the master builders knew how to do that. They had to do this because otherwise they could not have kept their Gothic cathedrals stable for the last 500 years, right? And so that's exciting to us, that we are, thanks to new technologies, new computational methods, but also thanks to new digital fabrication opportunities, that we can bring back these exciting geometries that don't work through material properties, but through good form, through elegant structural form.
Researchers have come up with new ways of designing structures that are strong and economic thanks to their elegant geometry, such as this 3D printed floor system.
It's just sand kept together with a simple binder, and extremely weak material. If you would take this little piece, you could break it just in bending with your own hands. But if you place it where the forces want to go, which we discover through new algorithms that we developed, then you can actually use such a weak material to use structurally, to walk on, to have a safe structure that is at least 70% lighter than any floor we know.
But the 3D printed sand floor is only one of a number of designs that will help Bloch and his team understand how Gothic cathedrals were put together.
We are bringing all this knowledge back. The research that we are doing here at ETH is basically to demonstrate how to understand our heritage, understand the past, but then also to design better in the future. So we very much like this connection.
The next challenge is to try out their ideas. It will happen in this research building in the suburbs of Zurich. Here they will test a number of innovative construction ideas in realistic conditions, hoping to bring back architectural secrets of the past.